Hi friends, I'm Zanara and welcome to Zara's Kitchen. Today I'm making tea. So the ingredients we need are milk, sugar, tea leaves, choti ilaichi. Friends, so I took a pot like this, the teapot. Friends, I put a pan on the stove. Now I'm going to add the milk. And we're going to let it boil for some time. Our milk is boiling. Now I'm going to add our patti and ilaichi. फ्रेंड्स हमारी कैनवस से बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. It's a beautiful aroma. And we'll let it cook for 5 more minutes. Friends, the tea is getting its color very nicely and beautiful aroma. It's already starting to come. Friends, our tea is ready, got its right color and it's a beautiful aroma. Now let's pour it into the teacups. Friends, look, the tea is ready. For any type of sugar you want, brown sugar, white sugar, as per as your taste. So, I hope you loved my recipe. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.